Alright guys, this is live in Abuja. Mazen Kanu returns to court October 27th, 2025 to resume his case. But you know what? Nnamdi Kanu did wonder. The IPOB leader declined to enter defense, insists no case against him, and which is very correct. My people, we don't come back again with another Bunga update. Right now, I want to talk about the trending things where we see they happen for Nigeria. The IPOB leader, Mazen Kanu, the big elephant in the room. So, today, the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Nnamdi Kanu, has withdrawn his earlier decision to call witnesses in his ongoing trial before the Federal High Court in Abuja, insisting that there are no legitimate charges against him. The development occurred on Monday during the court session where Kanu, who is standing trial on terrorism-related allegations, told Justice James Omodosho that after a careful review of the prosecution's case file, he concluded that the Nigerian government had failed to establish any valid charge to warrant a defense. Kanu, who had earlier filed a formal application to summon witnesses in his defense, told the court that the decision was no longer necessary since, in his words, no competent charge exists against me. The Biafran leader argued that he had been subjected to an unjust process and that the evidence tendered by the prosecution did not in any way prove the allegations brought against him by the Nigerian government. In response, Justice James Omotosho advised Kanu to put his new position into writing and formally serve it on the prosecution team, noting that it was crucial for the court record. The judge further suggests that Kanu seek legal advice from criminal law experts to fully understand the implications of his decision to forego a defense. The court subsequently adjourned the matter to November 4th, November 5th, and 6th to allow both the defense and the prosecution to file their final written addresses before judgment. Record that Nnamdi Kanu earlier named the former Attorney General of the Federation, AGF, Abubakar Malami, and several prominent Nigerians as witnesses in his ongoing terrorism trial. Those also listed include the former Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, Nyesom Wike, the former Minister of Defense, General Theophilus Danjuma, retired, the former Chief of Army Staff, General Taku Brutai, retired, the Lagos State Governor, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, and Imo State Governor, Governor Hope Uzodinma. Others named the Ministers of Works Dave Omayi, the immediate past Governor of Abia State, Okeze Ikpazo, the former Director General of the National Intelligence Agency, NIA, Ahmed Rufai Abubakar, and the former Director General of the Department of State Service, DSS, Yusuf Bochin. So guys, this is the latest development in this particular case. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, he insists that no case against him, so there is no need for him, to start defending himself. The last court section, he said he's going to defend himself because he just just find out that the way the court case is going, he's not worth, hard to be. But today, he has declined to defend himself, says there is no case against him. I think he just made a very a good point here. Nigerian courts, a competent court of jurisdiction, discharged and acquitted him, in 2022, and in that judgment, he said there is no court in Nigeria could try Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. So what are we doing here? So the Nigerian government should do as as a matter of urgency, release this man. You understand? Because this is really speaking loud. What are they actually, looking for in this case? You understand? I can see so many, you know, comments here. Someone said, church don't close, make them do their worst. Adjourn to further notice in mind go day. This country safe, they for allow him now, so they will they will collect woto, okay? Nobody refuse him. He's the one that said no. He's not going to defend himself because when you look at the whole thing, there is no case against him. Nigerian government actually don't have any evidence against this man. Shouldn't I say anything they happen? Hmm? There is no case, there is no evidence, there is nothing against this man. So what they are just doing is just to waste his time. But this is not helping anybody. It's not helping. The more they push this case, the more, Nigeria is being dragged back. This is not helping anybody, for goodness sake. It's not helping anyone. You get? Let this man be free. The Nigerian government should apply a political solution in this case. You understand? Then now go to the root of agitations in the southeast. If they so much love the Igbos, then they talk saying, now waiting you love, now you they go for. That's when you like, you love where you go for it. If they feel that Igbos cannot leave Nigeria, that Igbos, oh, we are good together, then you have to tell us the reason why. Why? Why the Igbos must stay? That is the thing. They must tell us the reason why the Igbos must stay. So guys, this case is taking another shape. On the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th, I mean the 4th, 5th, 6th November is another day for Mazi Kanu to hopefully open his defense. You get? Honestly, I don't like what is going on. You understand? Because if we have rules and regulations, if we have constitution in this country, we should not be here where we are right now. You get? Because this case should have been buried, dead and buried. But here we are. Now the question is, what next? The IPOB leader, Nnamdi Kanu, also declared that God in heaven is a God of justice. Kanu disclosed this while arriving at the Abuja Federal High Court to begin his defense in his ongoing terrorism trial. He accused lawyers of not knowing what the law and justice is. According to Kanu, you are here, you don't know. You don't know what justice is. You don't know that God is a God of justice. You don't know that. You don't know that God in heaven is a God of justice. You don't know that. So the IPOB leader, please pardon me, actually exploded a kind of little in the court today. Made them still know say person don't enter. Made them still know say at least he know what he's doing. So guys, we keep updating you on this. Thank you. See you in my next video.